Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim. I'm Edith, and today I've got no makeup on. No, what's new? I went to work. I guess I have to work at 6 in the morning.
She's got her delayed.
FFF Fun box.
Why she gets it after me, we have no idea.
Yeah, we live like 2 blocks apart, and we do everything.
And the customizations and the add-ons close the same time. So
we were just like, why is mine so late? But I just thought I'd show you guys like what I got chosen. Am I gonna break this thing?
I'm like, am I gonna get elbowed in the face?
Oh, it's like it's really taped down.
Oh no.
I'm losing everything, like my mind.
She's dropping it like it's hot. No, I'm just kidding.
Right there.
Got the knife?
I got it by the blade.
Oh,
scary. Sorry. And of course we're doing back-to-back videos, and my mom who finally made it home from
our mom.
Yeah, our mom. I don't know why I said that. She finally made it home from one of the facilities she was at for her broken hip. If I just said that because I'm half asleep. She whatchamacallit, she needs me to take her shopping in a little bit here, and I'm not used to like having to deal with a wheelchair, so
we're gonna see how it goes.
I'm trying to hurry with this and then get to her, and I feel like my nose is running. Like I'm super warm, but I was gonna show you guys my add-ons first. This is cute. I forgot I got that.
I'll hold this so it doesn't fall.
Thank you. I ordered a mask. I already have like I don't know how many my mother-in-law was nice enough to make me. It looks so tiny. Please don't be tiny. Oh, thank God. Okay. I was scared. I was like, it doesn't look like the pictures.
It's pretty.
Does it go this way? Am I holding it wrong? Like, is that right? I don't know. Does that look wrong? Or do I have it upside down? I'm stupid, but
I don't know which way it goes.
But that I think was like $5 for the add-ons. We get this box mainly for the add-ons. I mean, it's a generally okay box, but they can give you like really random crap, and so like random crap we don't want. So the add-ons, I think that was $5, I believe. I think this is floss because I love floss. I think I've still got like 4 of these. I don't care. I love floss. This is Cocoa Floss's Caracal Orange.
Yeah, and so normally if you buy these, I think that's they're $8, but buying them here, they're only $5 for this, but she bought it with a little tiny, like sample one kind of, or like mini one. So I think it was $6 for those
it's
two
so cute.
combined.
It's just Floss Daily. I definitely do that. So, so I'm trying to think if this has a company. AFRM, just because I didn't really say that. Sorry. There's that. And then I think something my sister got that I'm getting too, if I'm not mistaken, you got these, right?
I can't remember
probably. Exhilarating Drying Oil. I really wanted this for my nails because as you see, I've just polished them all crappy myself. And this one didn't dry fast enough, so I smudged it. But these are some fall color to buy. Is it Lacquer, if I'm saying that right? Lacquer, Cozy Chic, Lacquer Trio. I was excited. So those are probably my most exciting things that I got because those were what I like bought. Like I straight up wanted that. Right? Yeah, okay, I thought you could. There's so much. Sorry guys. I'm like,
I don't want to drop anything, especially glass.
Yeah, I don't think I would have bought that. Okay. So this is the little magazine you guys have already seen us go through.
And we told you what the options were
probably
before,
we won't have
so
to
you
go
can
over
just
that. We'll just show you what I got. So I got the same glasses my sister got.
Except I did mine as an add-on kind of thing.
I wear glasses though, so that was the only hard part for me. I was like, well, what am I going to do? Like, for all I know, mine has anti-glare already, so what, you know, but I just had other choices.
Anti-blue light.
Anti-blue light, sorry. But I thought, you know, so they're cute. I'm not gonna like try them on because I'm not even wearing makeup. I would not look cute with them either way, probably. But I just got them for that to try out the blue light feature, right? Yeah. There's that. Then I got, I picked out, or not that I picked it out. Either FFF or I did. One of us did. The Laundress Crease Release.
That was when they just picked for us.
Wrinkles. Yeah. I guess that's fine because I don't really iron. We got Hith Tranquility Sleep Mist, which I like things that help me sleep even though half the time I forget to use them like I should be. There's, oh gosh, I can't say this, Lickin something, I don't know, RX Stress Reliever, 100% natural hair oil, which is cool. I don't know what name that is. Sorry, company that makes that. The Beauty Crops Glow Milk, nourished with coconut argan oil. It's just for if it's just a glow, it'll probably go in the giveaway unless it does something else because I don't really wear highlighter stuff that much or glow stuff. And then I have Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract, which I like cleansing stuff, so that's Skin & Company or Skin & Co. I don't know how to pronounce it. There's that, and then I know one of these things what it is. This one I don't quite remember, but I'm sure I'll find out. Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay. So this one was, I have like a million scarves, but this one was one where you were supposed to, it's like an infinity scarf where you can like put a cell phone in it. I thought that's freaking awesome. I don't even care if I'm ever going to use it in that way, but if I can, that would be awesome. So I got that. So that was like not that bad because I was like, oh, it's mixing like techie stuff with like fashion. And the other thing I got, which I wasn't really like excited about this, but I thought maybe this could just be used for, I don't know, something backup. I don't know. My lunches, I don't know. It's huge, but it's a bag. And I don't like, it's kind of like a nylon material, and I don't think I realized that at first. I don't know if I thought it was
Might
like...
be easy to clean that way, though. But.
Yeah, it might be. And I thought it was like leather or something. I don't know, but it was supposed to be like 100 and something, and it was, you know, not that for us, because obviously this box itself is like $50 a month. But that should be it for, yeah. Okay. I mean, other than, you know, all these
ads or
cute things that Kim usually just throws aside. So this video was fast enough for you. We hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for our next giveaway, and we'll catch you next video.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.